Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create my absolute favorite fleshy pink lip. So the first component of this is Fenty Uncuffed. This is my own personal one, so I'm going to go straight onto my lips with it. It's pretty much finished. So, but I don't mind that because I don't like to put a lot on my lips. So Fenty Uncuffed on its own is already very nice, but I want to deepen this further. So I'm going to use Inglot 411, which is a lovely matte pink lipstick. Just going to dig into that with my lip brush. So that's what 411 looks like. You can see it's a very pretty, deeper pink. Just going to keep this towards the edges. So you can see that kind of increases the pink factor a little bit. And now the last color I'm going to use is 415, which is just so delicious. Look at that. It's just the perfect sort of peachy flesh tone. So I'm just going to take a bunch of that. And that's what this one looks like. Beautiful, right? Okay, once you've definitely got it on in the center, time to start pushing it out. Isn't that pretty? I think I'll take just a little bit more of it, just for right in the center. Isn't that a delicious color? So the last thing I'm going to do, which I always do with colors like this, is I'm going to bruise the pigment in with my little finger. You can see that just does something. It just flattens all the pigments out so they become this seamless color. And of course, what's left on your finger, you can just lightly tap. Don't streak, just be gentle tapping motions so the cream stays on your finger but the pigment deposits. if you drag your finger, you will create a bit of a mess. Now when there's less, I can start to stroke. Brought it all together. So isn't that delicious? Isn't that worth it? So even though it takes quite a few colors to get here, I think you'll agree that this is just such a beautiful color. So if you're thinking about, doing something where this is not the star of the show, but it's a good supporting act. Like you can see I've done a very medium eyeshadow without any eyeliner, and this lip is strong enough to pull my look together, but it's not absolutely a deep dark color. It's also, on the other hand, not a very pale color. So I love these kinds of medium lip tones. I think we don't explore them enough, and I really think we should. I hope you found that useful. Thank you so much for all of your comments and your suggestions. Please keep them coming. They're really super helpful and fun to feel like I've got a dialogue going with you guys. Please subscribe and like, and thank you so much for joining me. Take care, guys. Bye.